Hello, my name is Casey, and to my left, I have the Egro Touch Coffee. Now, the Egro Touch Coffee is a super automatic bean-to-cup machine. Bean-to-cup describes the process of whole bean to your cup. So it's the entire brewing process, the entire life cycle of whole bean to hot, delicious coffee. That's something that the Egro Touch Coffee does very well. I have a background in the specialty coffee industry, and a few things that I look for in a coffee machine for my cafe are consistency, quality, and user-friendly customizable features. And the Egro Touch Coffee does all three of these very, very well. The Touch Coffee utilizes smart technology integrations. Its brew group is one of the most thermally stable brew groups on the market. You can also produce iced coffee on this, making this a very flexible machine. The Cool Coffee module takes freshly ground and brewed hot coffee, flash chills it so that when it dispenses over ice, it doesn't melt that ice, leaving you with a nice bold iced coffee. If you were to pour hot coffee over ice, you would risk diluting that recipe and it would taste very watery. But with the Cool Coffee module, it eliminates that problem altogether by flash chilling it for you. The Egro Touch Coffee only uses the exact amount of product needed to create your recipes, making this machine very low to no waste.
The Egro Touch Coffee is also available with internal Cool Coffee module for those who want to save extra real estate on the bar.
It's a very accessible machine that is usable no matter what your skill level is. As a cafe owner, I see this machine as being user-friendly, accessible, easy to train on. As an employee, I see this machine, I interact with it and see it's very easy to plug and play recipes. If I were given a recipe by my manager, I can easily go into the menu settings, plug in all the variables, hit go, and have that drink ready. As someone who's a trainer, I see this machine as being easy to train on, no matter what the skill level is. There's enough stuff to excite even the most seasoned barista and enough user-friendly features for a barista that doesn't have any experience. So it covers a wide range of employees that I might have in my business. Now, what makes this machine powerful is that it's suitable for a plethora of different business models. Say that you want a bean-to-cup machine that exists on the counter that has a credit card reader that your customers interact with, a sufficient machine. This Touch Coffee does that for you. You have your simple, user-friendly, easy-to-read menu. It's all as simple as touching a button. You could choose your light roast. You could program questions like, do you want room for cream? Yes or no? You can even program different size options, and you can upload info so you can communicate what your coffee is to your customer without being there. Of course, the most important thing about the machine is that it creates delicious coffee. So I'm going to take you on a proper coffee tasting. In the specialty coffee industry, we do something called cupping, where we take a cupping spoon, slurp the coffee as loud as possible to evaluate the way it lays on the palate. So I'm going to go ahead and serve a coffee into this cup, and I'm going to give you a live coffee evaluation so you know exactly what I'm experiencing with this machine. I'm going to go ahead and put it underneath the nozzle. We're going to do a breakfast blend, a light roast. We don't need room for cream. Hit 16-ounce coffee and start. All right, so the procedure is as follows. We take our cupping spoon, we grab a little small sample, and as funny as it sounds, we slurp this as loud as possible. The slurping helps to spray the coffee evenly over the palate for evaluation. The sweetness level reminds me of a Snickers bar, so I'm getting very sweet nougat, milk chocolate, maybe even a little bit of peanut brittle. This coffee is very approachable. It excites me as somebody who loves interesting coffees, but I could also give this to my father, who's an Italian and loves his bold roast, and know that he would like it just the same. Now, as a business owner, I think this machine is an asset to easy training, accessibility, and flexible features. So this can exist in different types of business models, whether you're a university, a hospital, a high-volume cafe, or an office. If you like what you've heard so far, stay tuned. We're going to do a little bit more of a deep dive on all the powerful features of the Egro Touch Coffee.
We utilize a flat burr Swiss knitting grinder, which is top of the line in grinder technology. Grinder adjustment is easily accessible through the touchscreen. Brew coffee in seconds. Upload custom graphics, information, and screensavers that play while your customer's cup is brewing. The Cool Coffee module flash chills freshly brewed hot coffee to chilled temperatures to avoid dilution in your drink and give you better quality control. Internal Cool Coffee module is also available. Plug and play an unlimited amount of drink recipes. You can have as little or as much control as you need. There are enough features to keep even the most seasoned barista inspired. Your Egro will communicate when it's time to perform a full cleaning cycle. Drop a tablet into the chute and follow illustrated flashcards on the screen. Cleaning is done in 7 minutes or less. Powerful built-in analytics and reports make it easy to keep track of your business. And with Telemetry Connect, you can connect your fleet of machines together for easy, detailed reporting.